How to use magic eraser to remove the unwanted object from your photo. Open the app drawer and tap the Google Photos app. Select any photo you want to remove the unwanted object. Select photo. Now tap on edit at the bottom. Now swipe and tap on tools. In the tools you can find the magic eraser option. At the last, tap on a magic eraser. Now finding suggestion. Now circle or brush to erase. Here we select this mobile. Now you can see remove the mobile from your background. So quite useful feature to remove unwanted object from your photo. Tap on a done. When complete the process, tap on a save copy. So it's quite helpful feature to remove the unwanted object using the object eraser on your Google Pixel 8a. That's it. Please like it, share it.